Railroad police. If you don't mind me asking, what'd you do wrong? Or what'd they say you did wrong? Nothing? And you gave him your ID? He needs a crime to get your information. And then he's BNSF Railway. So why'd you get his ID? Why'd you steal his information?
Traffic stop.
Traffic stop. You're BNSF Railroad. A traffic stop. Is that a crime?
Yeah, I did, and I actually. Yeah, I have a couple of issues. Got a second. I'm just gonna pick up that piece of paper.
Before I leave, man, what's your name and badge number, officer? Officer, what's your name and badge number? I do need it. Yes, I do. I'm involved with it right now. I need your name and badge number, officer. Why does your license plate say commercial?
Why don't you Google BNSF Railway Police?
Okay.
That'll give you all the information you need.
Can't you just give it to me right now?
No, sir.
No, you don't have any information for me.
I'm not going to give it to you.
No, you're not gonna give me any information. Gotcha,
You
because
look it up
you're just a commercial organization.
You can look it up yourself, sir. Okay?
Gotcha. So why'd you pull that gentleman over?
Sir, it's none of your business.
It is. I'm part of the public. No reason to pull that guy over. You just pulled him over. You had a reason. Make sure you put your seatbelt on. Yes, I'm here. You want to talk?
I appreciate it. I know what you're doing. You're looking for wrongdoing. You're looking for mistakes.
Well, I think you
get
just
all
did
that.
wrong. I
get
think
all
you
that.
just did wrong.
I get all that.
Did you do
And I
wrong?
appreciate it.
Do you feel you did wrong?
Absolutely not.
You pulled the guy over. Asked for his ID. He didn't commit a crime.
I'm not going to go into.
No, I know
explanation why I stopped you.
because tyranny runs deep. And I'm just trying to help everybody out, man. Be a good guy. That's all I'm
appreciate
saying.
it, but
Get a better
you're taking
job.
it in the wrong direction.
Get a better job. That's all I'm saying, man. You're in the wrong line of work. You're harassing people. You're.
The only one that's complaining is you. Obviously.
I know, because he doesn't know any better. He's a citizen.
I was going to explain stuff to you, but obviously that's not where.
Oh,
you
hey,
really
I'm
don't
here
want
for an
an
open
answer.
discussion. If you want to explain something, I'm here for an open discussion.
No,
Go
you're
ahead.
not.
Go ahead. Talk to me.